Looking for the perfect electric bike that combines power, comfort, and style? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric bikes for adults. Whether you're commuting through the city or exploring rugged trails, these bikes are designed to deliver performance and excitement. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Kickwey LD20 electric bike for adults. The Kickwey LD20 electric bike for adults is a remarkable fusion of power, comfort, and style, designed to transform your daily commute and leisure rides into a thrilling experience. Equipped with a 48V 20Ah removable battery, this e-bike ensures long-lasting performance and convenient charging, giving riders the freedom to explore the city without worrying about frequent stops. Its 1500-watt high-speed brushless hub motor provides impressive acceleration and smooth power delivery, making it equally suitable for urban streets and adventurous trails. Riders can easily monitor their journey with the LCD panel meter, which offers accurate information about battery levels and essential riding stats, allowing for better planning and control. The full suspension system enhances comfort significantly, absorbing shocks and providing a smooth ride even on uneven terrain. Safety is a top priority with the dual-disc brakes, ensuring reliable and responsive stopping power under various conditions. The Kickwey LD20 is more than just a mode of transportation, it's a gateway to adventure. Whether navigating the city streets or exploring off-road paths, this electric bike delivers a ride that is both exciting and comfortable. Its design combines functionality with modern aesthetics, making it a versatile choice for adults seeking convenience, performance, and enjoyment in one package. With the Kickwey LD20, every ride becomes a chance to embrace freedom, double the fun, and elevate the joy of cycling. This city electric bicycle is a perfect companion for those who value efficiency, style, and the thrill of exploration, turning ordinary commutes into extraordinary journeys. Coming in at number 4, the Eoeotow E01 electric bike for adults. The Eoeotow E01 electric bike for adults redefines the e-bike experience with a blend of power, endurance, and comfort. At its heart lies a 1,000-watt high-speed motor capable of delivering an impressive 65 Nm of torque, propelling riders to speeds up to 34 mph. This robust performance allows the E01 to tackle steep hills, sandy paths, and rugged forest trails effortlessly, ensuring that every journey, whether commuting or adventuring, is met with confidence and control. Powering this machine is a 48-volt, 15-amp-hour high-capacity lithium battery, offering up to 60 miles of range in pedal assist mode. Long-distance rides, daily errands, or off-road adventures are easily manageable on a single charge, making range anxiety a thing of the past. Safety is addressed through front and rear mechanical disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power, while a front suspension system combined with 0-inch ultra-wide fat tires absorbs shocks and maintains stability on uneven terrain. High-brightness front lights and a horn ensure visibility and alertness during nighttime or low-light conditions. Comfort and ergonomics are key aspects of the E01. Its vacuum-seated saddle reduces hip pressure during extended rides, while the aluminum alloy frame strikes a balance between strength and lightweight handling. The vibrant LED instrument panel presents speed, battery level, and mileage clearly at a glance, keeping riders informed without distraction. With its combination of high-performance motor, long-range battery, advanced suspension, and thoughtful design, the Eoeotow E01 electric bike offers a seamless ride across diverse terrains, making it an ideal choice for those seeking both adventure and practicality in a single, powerful package. At number 3, we have the Otida RX50 electric bike for adults. The Otida RX50 electric bike for adults represents a fusion of power, safety, and modern technology, designed for riders who seek both performance and convenience. Equipped with front fork suspension, the bike delivers smooth shock absorption, making rides over uneven terrain or city streets more comfortable and controlled. This feature ensures that every journey, whether short commutes or longer adventures, remains stable and enjoyable. Safety is a priority with the RX50. The hydraulic brake system offers soft touch, quick braking, allowing riders to respond efficiently in any situation. Complementing this, the bike features giant headlights for clear visibility at night and seat tail lights that alert vehicles behind, maintaining a safe distance and enhancing overall road safety. The aluminum alloy frame of the RX50 combines durability with corrosion resistance, improving impact resistance while supporting a robust structure. This lightweight yet strong frame adds to the bike's maneuverability and ensures long-lasting reliability. The integrated LCD color display keeps riders informed with constantly updated data, including speed, battery status, and other essential metrics. Multifunction switching allows seamless transitions between different modes, tailoring the riding experience to individual preferences. Charging the RX50 is flexible and convenient, offering two modes, direct charging or battery removal for charging elsewhere. This versatility ensures the bike is always ready for action, whether at home, work, or on the go. Overall, the Otida RX50 electric bike for adults is designed to combine modern technology, safety, and durability, providing an electric bike experience that is both practical and enjoyable for everyday use. Next up at number 2 is the Ridstar Q20 Lite electric bike for adults. The Ridstar Q20 Lite electric bike for adults redefines the experience of outdoor riding, combining power, versatility, and convenience. Designed for adventurers and daily commuters alike, this e-bike features a robust 1,000-watt brushless motor that delivers high torque while operating quietly and efficiently. Riders can effortlessly reach speeds up to 25 mph and tackle inclines of up to 25 degrees, while the professional 7-speed transmission system ensures smooth performance across mountains, rocks, rivers, and deserts. Equipped with a 48V 15 amp-hour removable battery, the Q20 Lite supports long journeys, offering up to 35 miles with pedal assist or 25 miles using electric power alone. The battery can be charged directly on the bike or removed for convenient home charging, reaching full capacity in just 5 to 7 hours. This allows more time on the road, whether commuting to work or exploring new trails. Every detail of the Q20 Lite has been designed for comfort and safety. The 20-inch shock-absorbing pneumatic tires, front and rear suspension fork, ergonomic sports seat, and front and rear disc brakes ensure a smooth and controlled ride. The 5-level LCD display provides essential riding information, while the ultra-bright LED headlight illuminates your path in low-light conditions. Supporting riders up to 6.4 feet tall and a maximum load of 300 pounds, the bike adapts to a wide range of users. The Ridstar Q20 Lite excels in all-weather, all-terrain performance, making it an ideal choice for urban commuting and weekend adventures. Navigate busy streets, avoid traffic congestion, and enjoy the freedom of cycling through bike lanes. On weekends, escape the city's hustle and explore less traveled roads, riversides, and mountainous trails. With the Q20 Lite, riders can embrace both everyday convenience and outdoor adventure, experiencing the perfect blend of power, comfort, and reliability. Finally, at number 1, we have the Cybervelo EK2 electric bike for adults. The Cybervelo EK2 electric bike for adults redefines urban and off-road cycling with its combination of power, versatility, and advanced technology. Designed to deliver a smooth and secure ride, this e-bike features triple shock absorption, effectively reducing vibrations and impacts, allowing riders to navigate rough terrains or city streets with confidence and comfort. At the heart of the Cybervelo EK2 is a real-time smart LCD display, providing instant access to key riding data. Riders can monitor their current speed, single ride mileage, total ride mileage, and battery level effortlessly, making every journey more informed and controlled. The bike's front and rear disc brakes ensure rapid and reliable stopping power, offering safety and performance across varying road conditions. With a 7-speed transmission system, the EK2 allows riders to choose the right level of pedal assistance or manually shift gears, providing versatility whether tackling steep hills or enjoying a leisurely ride. The bike is designed to support up to 300 pounds, accommodating riders of different sizes while also offering a range of optional accessories to tailor the ride to individual needs. The removable 48V14AH battery enhances convenience and security, with an IP54 waterproof rating that ensures reliability in diverse weather conditions. This battery design not only extends the range, but also simplifies charging and reduces the risk of theft. From its thoughtful engineering to its adaptable features, the Cybervelo EK2 combines performance, safety, and practicality. Whether commuting, exploring trails, or enjoying recreational rides, this electric bike offers a modern, efficient, and enjoyable cycling experience.